chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make her just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Summerville Cain and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over my top 5 favorite, well, there's a mixture, high-end and drugstore setting sprays. This is going to be the last of my top 5 favorite series. Still a lot going on, so I'm sorry I'm still not filming as much. My neck hurts so bad. I'm still waiting on the neurosurgeon to call. But anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, and look down below and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, please. Starting off is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. For those of y'all that have been watching me for a while, you know that I used to battle with like super dry skin. I've been using a green tea detox mask from Teeny Blends, and it has tremendously helped with my dry skin. So it's not as bad as it used to be. This stuff, oh my goodness, it works so well with my dry skin. So well, and it's oil free. So I love it. I still love it now that I don't have dry skin as bad as I used to. And I have a video about the mask. I'll link it at the end just in case you are wondering about it. Anyways, next is the Revolution Makeup, or Makeup Revolution, whatever, Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. I love this stuff. It really helps my makeup last all day. And I do live in South Arkansas. So during the summer times, it's really hot, it's really humid, and this really helps with the oil. Cause like I said, it's so humid down here. So a lot of times my face, I feel like it's just glistening, and I don't want a humidity glistening face. So this really helps with that. Next is the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray. And this is in the matte finish. And once again, it gets so humid down here. So from time to time, I really do love a matte setting spray to help absorb that oil. And also I love, let me see if y'all can see. Like it just finely mists, like it doesn't drench your face. So I really love that about it. The hydrating one is the same. It's very fine. Next is the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray Long Lasting. And this is just a travel size. I'm almost out. I have to get another one because this stuff is amazing. When they say all nighter, they mean all nighter, all day, whatever. This makes your makeup last. It is amazing. And then if you watch my videos, you know what this next one's fixing to be. It is the MAC Prep and Prime. I love this stuff, love this stuff. It makes your makeup, or my makeup, everybody's skin's different, but it makes my makeup last forever. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love that it has just the little twisty top. And if you ask my husband, he loves it because it smells good and he thinks it should be a cologne. That is my top 5 favorite. Comment down below and let me know what some of y'all's favorite setting sprays are. I love trying new stuff that's recommended to me. And my husband's in there with the kids, so I can hear my 1-year-old in there playing. But anyways, I don't even remember what I was fixing to say. Oh, next week it is Thanksgiving. So I'm trying to get back on track of filming and getting 2 videos up twice a week. Like I said, my neck is hurting so bad, so it's been really difficult to do that lately. But I'm trying my best. If I don't get another one up for Thanksgiving, which I hope I do. I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. Comment down below and let me know what y'all are most thankful for. For me, it is absolutely God. I feel like no matter what I've been through, you know, with losing my first husband and just everything, I feel like even in my darkest hour, like I never felt like he left my side. I knew that there was a plan and a reason, and even now with battling depression, like, I don't feel alone. Like, I know he's with me. And I just want to thank him for all the blessings that he continues to do for me. And I would love to know down below what y'all are most thankful for. I hope everybody has a great day, great night, whatever it may be whenever I get this uploaded. And I will see y'all in my next video. Oh, and don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you click this bell. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Toodles!